Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you what to do when Wuthering Waves keeps crashing and keeps blacking out when you try to start it or when you're just randomly playing the game. Now the first step is to go into the settings of Wuthering Waves itself and head down to the right button of our screen to open up the cogwheel. Now here we go to the graphics settings. As you can see right here, we're going to change some certain settings. Now make sure that the graphics quality is set to low or medium. The screen mode should always be on full screen, otherwise this can crash the game. And here we have the frame rate. Now make sure to put this up at 60 frames per second, the shadow quality set to low, and keep the rest as it is. Only the VSync should be turned off and the sharpening should set to 0.3 minus. Now from here we can close down the game. Let's say you can't even get into the game and it always crashes whenever you're trying to open up the game. Now I'm going to show you in a bit. Now what you actually want to do is hop onto the launcher of Wuthering Waves, and from there go down to the little gear icon right here. Now from here we can make sure that the integrity of the files is set okay. And here verify that there are no crashes inside the files and that everything is up and running. Now make sure to do that. If this still didn't fix the issue, you can restart the game, restart your PC and check it again. And otherwise we're going inside our settings. Simply head down to the settings right here, the system settings. And what we will do next is actually go into the Windows and update your Windows. Sometimes this also will interfere with certain heavy apps. Now let's say Windows is up to date. We're going to look to our graphic cards drivers. Now it's very important that they are also up to date, so open up the NVIDIA GeForce Experience application, as you can see right here, hop onto the drivers, as you can see, and check for updates. Now if you don't have an NVIDIA but a AMD card, simply head down to the search bar and type in AMD. From there open up the AMD software. Now let's say this still didn't fix your issue. You can also go into the settings, the system settings, and from out the system settings we're going to the gaming tab, and here we have the game mode. Now in the game mode, make sure that your game mode is turned on because this will optimize the game flow. Now from here we're going inside the game files. So what we want to do for our next step is go to the Epic Games Launcher, and from here go to the library, go and close the Wuthering Waves application, as you can see right here. Let's restart the Epic Games Launcher, and from here go to the library once again, go to the three dots, and here we go to manage. Inside manage we want the installation folder right here, and what we want to do next is look for the Wuthering Waves game. As you can see we have the exe file, right click it and head down to the properties of the game. Now here we go to the compatibility mode and make sure to disable the full screen optimizations. Now press apply, press OK, and for the next one we're going inside here, close all your programs, restart your computer once again, and from there check if it works. Now let's say you are still getting stuck, please leave it in the comments down below. I'll try everything to help you. If this tutorial did help you, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.